The KitchenAid rice and grain cooker automatically senses, dispenses, and cooks rice and grains to perfection. The rice cooker senses exactly how much rice or grains has been added using an integrated scale, and then automatically dispenses the right amount of water for the ideal liquid to grain ratio. And finally, cooks at the exact temperature for the perfect texture every time. This is not just a rice cooker. There are 21 preset options for rice, beans, oats, couscous, quinoa, barley, and more. You can also steam vegetables, chicken, fish, and even dumplings in the included steam basket. There is also a custom cycle that allows experimentation with a variety of grains, beans, and rice beyond the preset options. And cooking with liquids other than water, like broth or milk, is not a problem, as you can select to add these directly into the cooking pot, which will bypass the water tank. Now let me show you how it works. Fill the removable water tank to the maximum fill line. Then lift the lid and remove the steam basket. Follow the prompts on the screen. I've got rice, I've got basmati rice. It's asking me now to add the rice to the pot. Select next. Ensure you level the pot. Click next. It will give you options on the screen. Dry or rinsed, my rice was dry. Water or broth, if you're using broth or milk, you select that and it will tell you exactly how much liquid to add to the pot. But I'm using water, so I'll select water. And then you can adjust the texture, soft, regular, or firm. I'm going to select soft. There is a delay cook. You can delay the cook for up to 24 hours. There is also a keep warm when the rice finishes for 6 hours. I'm going to shut the lid and now press start. Depending on how much rice or grains you add will depend on the amount of liquid dispensed. Now we wait for our rice. The non-stick ceramic pot is dishwasher safe and has an 8-cup cook capacity. The removable steam basket, the removable lid which sits in top are also dishwasher safe. The rice and grain cooker is available in porcelain white and matte black and has a 2-year limited warranty.